Today it's a duel. We're each building a Lego set from the new Star Wars series, The Force Awakens. We're going to challenge each other and see who can build our set the fastest.
I'm building Clone Commander Cody. It's number 75108 and it's designed for ages 7 to 12. And I only have 82 pieces.
I'm building Darth Vader. It's number 75111 and is designed for ages 9 to 14. Mine has 160 pieces, so I have almost double the pieces. But I've built a lot of Lego sets and I'm pretty fast, so I think I might win.
And we both brought little brick removers, so if we mess up, we can just move right along. And be sure to leave us a comment and tell us who you want to win. So let's open Clone Commander Cody. This set has one, looks like part of this body. Two bags and one set of instructions, and it's pretty thin.
Now let's see what the Darth Vader looks like. We have 4 bags, 3 of them are pieces, and the other one just holds his cape. And instructions. I think I might win this one.
The challenge starts in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And I'm done.
And you beat me. I'm about halfway done, and this set took me a little longer because there were a bunch of tiny pieces. But it looks like they're all bigger now, so it will probably come together much faster. Let's see how much longer it'll take me to build the rest of it. Here's what the finished Darth Vader looks like. I thought I could win, but there were just too many little pieces. Let's take a look at him. Darth Vader has his black armored suit and his fabric cape here in the back. And I have him holding the lightsaber with 2 hands, but you can slide off his bottom fist and he can have it with 1 and you can fight.
Clone Commander Cody is an orange and white clone, and he's holding a sniper. On the back, he has a jetpack and an antenna at the top. And on his shoulders, he has orange shoulder pads. He has a helmet, and it actually looks pretty cool. So that's it for the challenge, and I creamed him.
Well, you may have won this time, but I got the dark side with me. Darth Vader's a pretty cool Lego set.
Be sure to leave us a comment and let us know what you think about the challenge. And I think Clone Commander Cody is really cool too. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other Star Wars videos.
See ya.
See you later.